We're going to see Cerón. We're going to see Cerón. Yes, he's got a salon in Dallas in Highland Park. What are the odds? I moved from Houston to Dallas and my hairdresser has a place here too. Is that what you call the stars aligning? I think.
Dominique?
Finally.
Before we meet with Cerón, quick commercial break to talk about skincare. You know how much I value good skincare, right? Well, let me introduce you to the ultimate anti-aging collection by Nira. You've heard me talk about Nira's lasers in the past, but now paired with their Moisture Lock Serum and Youth Renewal Cream, my skin is feeling better than ever. Personally, I like to combine the Nira Pro and the Nira Precision lasers. First, I'll start with Nira Precision, the smaller one you see here. It reaches those tough to treat areas around the eyes and the mouth. I then follow up with the Nira Pro, that's the larger laser, to treat bigger areas like the full face, neck, chest, and back of hands. These at-home devices are FDA cleared and they're clinically proven to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, they stimulate natural collagen production, so you can achieve younger looking skin in just 90 days. After I use the lasers, I will first apply the Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum for a boost of hydration, giving my skin that plump, dewy look. And then I follow up with the Youth Renewal Peptide Cream. It is packed with powerful ingredients that help turn back the clock on our skin. Plus, it's safe for all skin types and tones, so no need to worry about irritation. And these products are cruelty, fragrance, paraben, and PEG free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. But here's the best part. These skincare gems are specifically designed to maximize the results of Nira's laser treatments. So when you combine them with the Nira lasers, you're really getting the ultimate skincare routine that delivers real results. Trust me, your skin will thank you. If you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, I highly recommend giving Nira a try. Click the link in the description and use code DominiqueTV to receive 25% off the collection for Nira's Mother's Day sale. Now, let's get back to the video.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Okay, say hi to everybody.
How are you?
Yes.
Welcome to Dallas.
Oh my
Thank
gosh.
You, we love you. We miss you, my
I
God.
know, I
we
miss
were
you
not talking
too.
about you like crazy.
I'm so glad to see you.
serious. People are like, is she coming? When is she coming? Is she coming? When is she coming? Yes.
Here she is.
We're so excited.
Yeah, I'm
Thank
so
you for
thrilled to see
coming.
you. You look great. This
Well,
is
thank you.
amazing.
Well, we wanted to look pretty.
Right.
We spoof it up for you.
Well, you know it's time for a change.
I was gonna say it. I mean, I'm so excited.
Me too.
But first of all, I want to know what's going on with this show.
Yes.
And how is this going to be involved
Yes.
in the show, the new hair?
Well,
So-
we'll talk about that.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Me
Yes.
too.
So excited, so excited.
I know.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's walk you by.
Let's do. Show us where to
This is our
go.
front desk, which is beautiful.
It's
This is our
amazing.
beautiful receptionist.
Yes. Hello, beautiful
And
receptionist.
we're going to walk you to the back.
Okay.
No, it's everybody looks at me. She goes,
Yeah.
have you ever seen anybody so happy?
Yeah.
I said, no, because I haven't seen her.
I know I haven't seen her, so I don't know. I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'm over the moon happy. I love my new home. I love this area. I mean, I was telling Court, you know,
And you two,
she's here too.
fantastic.
It's unbelievable.
That's
No, you
you
have no
to
idea.
have that support. I mean, otherwise,
It would have been
It's hard,
it would have
yeah.
been very, very hard. I have her, I have a great job. I'm like in between Dallas and Fort Worth, so I'm kind of in Sleepyville.
yeah.
I wouldn't have it any other way. It's incredible.
So I'm excited.
Me too. Okay.
So-
So this is what I'm thinking.
So we're going to the side.
Yes.
Keep it.
I mean, it can go either way.
Well, you know, like the new is back to the bad side.
Yes, this
See,
yes.
Remember the one that I sent you with the blonde?
Yes. The side.
On the side.
And I think these right here are the long pieces.
Uh-huh.
And then all of this coming up. Angle. I do want an angle because I think it works with my jawline better to have it angled.
We should go blonder, lighter, I think, brighter.
Brighter.
I think brighter.
I think brighter. 100%.
I think so.
Me too. Me too.
I think the brighter you look, the best.
Yep.
You know, when you have a little bit of those,
And I like that
lines,
separation.
you know, those
Yes.
contrasts like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Agreed. And I already have some darker pieces
Yeah.
in there, so I don't think you need low light. I think it's just lifting other ones, right?
Yeah, yes. And I love the base.
Me too.
I love the base, but I need to retouch the base
Okay.
just a bit,
Right.
just like a rook shadow.
Like a shadow,
okay?
but nothing that'll make it reddish.
No.
It'll keep it ashy.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm excited.
I'm excited.
What a difference with the shampoo, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, cut. You want to cut in the middle or on this side? You tell me. If I cut in the middle,
Okay.
I'm gonna have a little short piece here. If I cut on the side, so it gives you the length that you want.
Probably the length that I want. If you cut on the side, I can still flip it
Oh
from
yeah,
side
yeah,
to
yeah.
side.
That's the side to side.
Cut on the side
So-
because I definitely want that
That piece, yeah. That's what I just
Okay.
want to make sure that we.
Yes.
Because either or, I would lose if I do it in the middle. It would cut right here.
Oh,
but
no.
This could go
Either way.
both sides.
Yep.
No,
I love it too.
perfect.
Oh my gosh, you killed it. You killed it.
It looks good, huh?
I feel like me again.
So happy to see you.
Love you.
Love you. Happy to see you.
I love him so. First of all, I love it. I always love what you do. You're so creative, and it's such a collaboration, I think, between the two of us. I mean, I always come in with pictures, and I'm showing you, I'm like, I like this, I like that, and then you bring pictures, and you say to me, I like this, and I like that, and then together we make this happen. So tell everybody what
Magic.
Magic.
Actually, magic happen always.
Well, tell everybody what you decided to do and why.
Well, basically, I think you and I would know each other so well, and like you're right, it's always a collaboration.
Yes.
But like I told you, I was very honest. I haven't seen the new show, so I think it was very important for me to see the lighting.
Yes.
And then, but what I just saw when you walked in, I thought it was a little too washed out. You know, a little. It wasn't.
Yeah. Wasn't bright.
That's because that's how you are. I mean, when you walk into a room, every time everybody people love your color because it's, it has that je ne sais quoi.
Kapow.
You know what I mean? That
You'd like to make it kapow.
and it wasn't nothing wrong with the color. It
Yeah.
just was not going with your color and color and everything. And I think we enter in this warm, months where it's spring and summer, and you want to see that.
Yeah, I mean, I'm doing the
know?
fake tan already, so it was time
It's
to brighten it,
important
I
to do
think.
this. And the other fact is, I think we're going away from, we're still seeing a little bit of the waves and things, but we're going more into these bulbs. They're more, stylish.
Yeah.
And they have more defined. They're not round. They're, I call it, they're like a disconnected bulb.
What does that mean?
Meaning it is a very nice, clean bulb, but it has a lot of layers in there.
Because I think, we were recording while you were cutting, and when you texturize, you're really cutting out kind of a mid layer
Yeah.
in there. And I think that could freak a lot of people out. But in the end, it's still the bob, it's still the length,
Yeah.
but it's a thinner version to give it movement, right?
And also when you're fixing it at home, it's easier So much easier because you're not dealing with the thickness of the hair.
Yeah.
Today, I introduced you to 2 new products that I think are like magic on your hair.
Yeah, tell us about
Especially,
that. Kerastase?
Kerastase.
Oh, yeah.
So Kerastase, and they're really, really focusing on over highlighted hair or blondes.
Yeah.
We don't call you a blonde, but we could say,
We call me processed.
just a little things. And
Highly processed.
but I think what we create here is we don't go away from your natural color. You know what I mean? You still a brunette
Somewhere
on the
under
base.
there.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
But you know what I mean? It's not like you. If I change the base color of your hair, you will call solid blonde.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You will be completely washed out. You won't look like yourself.
And I'm glad you bring that up because you made sure to leave a lot of that rich natural color in there. You stitched in the blonde and it lays over the brown and it gives that separation and some depth so that you're right, you don't lose your eyes because you can quickly lose your eyes if you go too light.
You can frame your face with
Yes.
the blonde. That's very important. But you still have a little bit of your natural color coming through.
Yeah,
right now,
yeah.
you know,
I mean, you
which
can
just
see in the
all those
side.
natural colors. Yeah.
Right.
And if you notice how, it's a very like a cool line, but it has a lot of movement, a lot of which you would love me because if you don't want to do anything during the weekends, it will give you a great way.
Yeah. Oh,
know what I
yeah.
mean?
Good
It would be
point.
just
Good
great
point.
way.
Can anybody, and I know you get this all the time, people will come in and they'll say, I want this look. How do you decide what look is right for each woman?
You know, it's really depends of your lifestyle, the time that you want to consume and spend on it. I mean, everybody can get the look, that's for sure. But it's the time that you want to spend on it. And I always want to know, what's important for you, because if you're not going to spend the time doing it, I can give you the look because I can for sure give you the look.
Sure.
But it's what's going to, I care more about what's going to happen to you at home.
Yes.
How you're going to reproduce what I did. And you're correct, some people that don't have the texture of the hair, but we all know that you have, people don't know what's
They
underneath
don't
this
know.
hair.
They don't know the
And
dilemma.
So yes, you can
Yeah.
you can have it.
Yeah, because I'm a
But-
naturally dark, curly-haired, frizzied, fine hair.
all of them.
Fine
All of
hair.
them
I don't have thick
together.
hair. I'm a mess.
You have all of them.
But good thing I like to
That's-
spend a lot of time on my hair. That's why it
But you're
works.
that, yes.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing, So yes, I think a lot of people, ask that question because, and 99% of the people that come to see me, thanks to you, that's the first thing they said. But her hair is so thick and so straight, and I'm like,
No, it's not.
the contrary.
Yeah.
It is fine. It is super curly, wavy.
Say frizzy. It's frizzy.
It's just
See?
okay.
Okay. It's poodle hair. It's what I call it.
But and they cannot believe.
Yeah.
They just cannot believe. But so to me, it's the time you're going to, and effort you're going to,
Right.
spend.
That's probably the most important thing that you just said. You're right. I mean, anybody can get anything, but how much time do you want to spend in the maintenance and the
that's
upkeep?
correct,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
But I love you. I'm so happy you're back.
Thank you.
And good luck on the new show. I can't
you.
wait to be there.
Yes.
Say hello to all your fans.
Yes.
And thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being a regular, but not only that, you are a friend to this audience and you impart so much wisdom and you make them feel special. Every woman who comes and sees you, she feels special.
Thank you.
And blessed
Thank
from
you.
being in your chair. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
mean
Thank you.
that.
Thank you, everybody. Thank
Love you.
Love you. Bye.